Some oatmeal power, bananas, yogurt, some frozen fruits. Ooh, where did it go? Back to bananas. Come back, fruit. Come back, fruit. Come back. Come. Yes. Whoa, soak it in with yogurt. So here it is, our favorite breakfast. Here we have 3 spoons of oatmeal, 1 banana, frozen berries, and yogurt. I love it. Yes, this gal there is not ready. This is what's always happening. So we're in Belgrade and we're gonna do something. What are we gonna do? Go thrift shopping. Go thrift shopping. Then
Have some coffee.
have some coffee.
I'm gonna have my second breakfast.
What second breakfast?
Yes.
And then
And then, stay tuned.
stay tuned. Come, I want to show them your shirt. This one is like off the charts. Please check this out. Straight A student over there. My babe, so fashion. Turn around. Some garden, very nice. Okay guys, Belgrade is very up and down the hill, through the hills and valleys. I miss Novi Sad. Okay, my baby, she found this one, this mural. Okay, so we're... Whoa. Whoa.
This is some TK.
That's so TK, I agree. What do you think?
You look like a girly girl, but on a funeral. This is a little better girly girl. But I somehow don't see you in this. I don't know. It's
But
weird.
this is the thing about thrift shopping. You buy something that is like very weird.
Okay, I get it,
This is actually good for me because this is my size. I have the small boobs. I'm Trinity. Where is my meal?
Yeah, sure you are.
They're a little crooked. Oh, these are a little extra, even for me. How good are they?
I think these are the best.
Me too. My personal favorite and this one are these, which are totally England. Bonjour, darling. I would totally recommend this shop. It's very nice, it's very interesting. It says, welcome back to the 20th century.
And where
And
did you
I
buy
felt it. I felt the 20th century like to the bone. And I bought something, I cannot show it because it's for Stefan and he will see. But come here if you want to thrift shop. If you have bad eyesight, you can buy this one. You will not miss a digit. It's Versace, not Versace. I found myself in the middle of Belgrade and I couldn't help but wonder where to go to eat now. This is my before coffee taste screenshot of 21,000 steps yesterday. You see it? It's true. This is my during coffee face. It's much better. I like it. And okay, let's just recap yesterday's day. Officially, the number of steps is sent. I will not repeat it. And I kind of like the vintage shops. It was very, very interesting, and I found something. And I will try to find a vintage shop in every city I go to. I think that's a good idea. What do you think?
Excellent idea.
Huh?
Excellent idea, and you will have to report to me what you find.
Please, I will bring you. And yeah, it's Sunday, it's morning, we're drinking coffee, and very soon I will be headed home to Novi Sad. So I guess that's it from this vlog. Oh. See ya later, alligator.